Hello everyone, this is LML Repair back with another video. If you rely heavily on your phone, you've likely encountered frustrating issues such as a cracked screen, slow performance, poor battery life, or other problems. These can be stressful, but effective solutions are available. In this video, we will discuss common smartphone problems and provide practical tips to resolve them. Cracked screen. A cracked screen is a common and frustrating issue. While replacing the screen is often necessary, it's crucial to handle the phone carefully to prevent further damage. Applying a screen protector over a minor crack can help prevent it from worsening. Phone battery. A depleted phone battery at an inconvenient time is a familiar challenge. To extend battery life, disable unnecessary features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services when not in use. Lowering screen brightness or enabling auto brightness mode can also help. Additionally, activating power saving mode earlier can conserve battery power. Overheating. Excessive phone heat can be concerning. To prevent overheating, avoid using your phone while charging and remove the phone case for better ventilation. Using your phone in direct sunlight or hot environments should also be minimized. Slow phone performance. A sluggish phone can be frustrating. To improve performance, clear app cache and uninstall unused applications to free up storage space. Disabling unnecessary animations can also help reduce processor strain, and regularly restarting your phone helps clear cached data. If you're facing any of these issues, don't hesitate to contact LML Repair. Our expert technicians are ready to assist you. Follow our socials and stay connected for more tech updates.